Hello, everyone. Today, let's dive into a vital aspect of project initiation, the business case document. In the pre-initiation phase, the business case acts as the project's backbone. It outlines the project's significance, objectives, and feasibility. According to PMBOK 7, it's the determining factor, signaling whether the project proceeds. Starting with why the project matters and how it aligns with the company's goals, it's the foundation. Let's focus on the perks: boosting revenue, operational efficiency, competitive advantage, and risk mitigation. The business case highlights potential successes if the project is a hit. But it's not only about the gains, it covers costs too. It breaks down expenses from the initial investment to ongoing needs and anticipates potential hurdles. Moreover, it compares project approaches, emphasizing why the chosen one is the most suitable, aligning well with company goals and reaping numerous benefits. Consider XYZ Incorporated, struggling with scattered customer data. Their solution, a customer relationship management (CRM) system. This CRM aims to streamline data, enhance operations, and improve customer satisfaction. The goals: consolidating customer information, enhancing service quality, optimizing sales strategies, and ensuring data security. The rewards: enhanced customer experiences, increased revenue, cost savings, and reduced data errors. Aligned with XYZ Incorporated's objectives, the CRM promises operational efficiency and competitive edge. Financially, it requires an initial $300,000 investment and $50,000 annually, managed by a specialized team. Anticipating challenges like data migration and user acceptance, XYZ Incorporated has mitigation plans in place. Considering alternatives, none match this solution's alignment with goals and potential benefits. In conclusion, this CRM represents XYZ Incorporated's path to improved operations, increased sales, and maintaining a competitive edge. I hope this clarified things for you. Subscribe.